Hi guys, and welcome to the 5th ever video on this channel. And today we're going to be talking about what I do during a market crash. So, hold on. We're going to break this down. Actually, we're probably not, but anyways. So, the first thing I do when a market crash happens is I remind myself, you better not go check your stock account, otherwise you're going to have a panic attack about how much you down, because I own a lot of high growth stocks and stuff like that. And since I own so many high growth stocks, so when the market or the NASDAQ goes down 3%, my stocks go down 6% more. They go down a lot when that happens, but when the NASDAQ goes up 3%, it goes up a lot more. So, what I have to remind myself, better not go check that account, otherwise you're gonna be like, what's happening? What's happening? Like, what in the world? But anyways, after I remember that and know that I can't freak out, then I remember what Warren Buffett says. And this is probably my favorite quote by Warren Buffett, because it's really good advice on what to do when stuff like this happens, because it's bound to happen. Like, according to the statistics, market crash usually happens every 8 to 10 years. So it's going to be bound to happen in a lifetime, usually when you're investing in the stock market. So there's no getting away from it. So what Warren Buffett says is, he says, when people are fearful, be greedy. And what he means by that, when people are fearful, be greedy, but when people are greedy, be fearful. And what he means by that is the fact that when people are greedy, that means the stocks are getting run up very high, and they're going to keep going high, and they're going to get really rich valuations, or they're going to get a little bit overvalued. So, and they're going to end up being a stock market bubble. Sorry, I have to adjust the camera angle a little bit. But there's going to end up being a stock market crash or a bubble because of the fact that the stocks get way too overvalued. See, and when people are fearful because the market's crashing is usually when people are fearful. So when that happens, you can buy the dip and you can ride it high. So I start looking for deals and when market crashes happen, I start looking for deals and beating down stocks. Like right now, Lordstown Motors, but they are getting also charged by the SEC of fraud. So yeah, take that with a grain of salt. And Workhouse Motors Group, that also has to do with some stuff like has to do with the fact that they didn't get the deal for the postal services, and right now Joe Biden just came out with the infrastructure deal, and he said they're going to do hybrid instead of fully electric stuff. So that also hurt Workhorse's stock. But yeah, there's also beating down stocks right now, like the ones I own, like Tattooed Chef. Like at one point that was like $17 or $18. Like, why am I checking this? It's like, or Kahoot stock right now, it's like at $10, and I bought it at $12, so I'm kind of freaking out. But I need to follow my own rules. Like usually I do, and I haven't been checking it in a long time. But I checked it today because Blink charging was up a ridiculous amount. So I was like, ooh, I better check this. And Ford's down a little bit. So, and I'm actually might be picking up a little bit more of that stock. Better close my mouth before I say too much. And there's some more, like the Very Good Food Company, also down like a decent bit, and like other stocks. I'm sure there's other ones that I'm missing. Like I'm pretty sure there's this stock called Planet 13 that was up at $8 that I've been looking at, and that's at $6 and something like that. Oh, there's also a stock called Switch that was at 15, now it's at 12. And like I said, I'm guaranteed there's more, but yeah, I have to transfer over some money into my bank because I got Easter money, and I found $100 laying around from Christmas money that I don't know why it's there. And then I got some more Easter money, so yeah, I got like $250 to put in the bank right now. So yeah, I need to go there. Like, I was supposed to go there. I was hoping to go there on Friday, but I had a dentist appointment and some other stuff I had to do because family was in town. That's why I didn't post that week, and so I couldn't get there. I wanted to go on Monday, but we just didn't have time. So I'm hoping to get that money into the bank soon, so I can go buy some beaten down stocks and hopefully make a lot of money. And I need. Then what I do is I start to find a game plan, like what I'm trying to stop, what I'm gonna do with my money. And right now I'm thinking I need to buy Convection, and what Convection is buying more stocks you already own. So basically, what I'm gonna buy Convection is Tattooed Chef and Ford, because of the fact that the Mustang Mach-E just took 12% of Tesla's market share. I still can't believe they took 12% of Tesla's market share. So that just made me like super bullish on Ford stock. And Tattooed Chef I'm really bullish on that, and they now have like snacks and stuff. So they're now gonna have like snacks and stuff that's not frozen food, so they're not just gonna be in the frozen food industry, which is gonna be huge for them. Huge. Sorry, but it should be super huge for them. And then also, I might buy some more Kahoot. Probably not, but I might, just because it's so beaten down right now. But yeah, but then once I find my plan, I'm gonna do what my plan says, and yeah. I also, I think I'm going to keep some cash on the side though, because I do want to find some better deals. Now, I am going to put some more money into cryptocurrency, most likely. I might make a video about that if you want. And yeah, I might buy some Bitcoin too. Yeah. So some other stocks that are beaten down, unlike the ones that I already own that I might buy, are, at the time of scripting this video, I hadn't done a lot of research on Lordstown Motors, but like I said, I'm really super bullish on EV stocks. So because of that, I was like, I need to look into this. And I did, and I realized that they might be committing fraud, and it's a little bit of a risky, volatile stock that I don't want to be in. So, yeah. Okay, but if their pre-sales numbers if it isn't fraud, because I haven't checked the case in a while, if it isn't fraud, then that might be a stock I might pick. Last angle. Does this angle work? Does this angle work?